This is how I use ChatGPT in Terminal when it comes to coding. When coding, are you also fed up with jumping back and forth towards the browser and an IDE, copying and pasting? I am. Let's look at where and how I utilize ChatGPT or OI in all stages of DevOps. We commence in the coding stage. To make code generation efficient, I generate the generic frameworks, but leave the details and business logic to ordinary coding, as shown in this video. For example, for Django, write a model with a class named magnet containing fields email, name, active, enrolled, collected, link, expires. An answer with code only. No need for copy and paste, no need to jump applications. Blasting into the build stage. This UI package is built in GitHub. How is a build done in GitHub? Let's ask how to set up a build of Python application Debian package in GitHub Actions. The action should be manually triggered. It seems we already have the build nailed in GitHub. Trotting on to the test stage. How do we generate unit tests for this OI package? OI-n, and then we insert the Python script for this code. In this release of OI, you can insert code files or text files or CSV files directly into the new session command. OI create unit tests for the code above, and then redirect the output to a new file, unit tests oi.py. No jumping and no copy and pasting, just a bit of trimming for the actual code file. If you are interested in this topic, do subscribe. I have a lot more fun coming. Rushing on to the release stage. There isn't much to do for ChatGPT in here, but we could at least ask it. What is the best tagging scheme in Git for a release of a Python-based Debian package? And it seems that we are right on track for this package OI. Dashing on to the deploy stage. Looking at the lead magnet Django application, let's ask, propose an Ansible script to deploy a Django application lead magnet from local to a URL. Looks good. I actually would try something out in these lines if I ever deploy lead magnet. Onwards to the operate stage. Here we can ask OI to analyze the customer support issues statistics for us, saved to a CSV file, OI-n css.csv. This is where I have all the customer statistics. OI analyze the CSV data. Now, a more specific prompt and some more topical data and access to GPT-4 should get this answer over the rainbow. Moving on to the monitor stage. What can measurements say about the health of the running application? OI-n perf.csv, where this file is containing performance data. OI analyze the CSV data for us, with the same comments as above. Finally, we are plateauing in the plan stage. What is important to cover When planning a new feature for this application, let's ask OI. OI, what KPIs should be used when planning for Django implementation of a new function? A selection of these KPIs should be good to cover, depending a bit on how big your system is and how mature it is. Now, all of these 8 cases removes all the tedious jumping between browser and application. Isn't that nice? In the next video, in this series, I will be looking at content creation for social media. What I use it for and how I do it with OI. It will show up here in suggested when it's out. See you in there.